I found that photo in the sofa, and it's from way back in '01. So I guess there's much I never told you, like who I am, who I love, where I've been and where I came from. Grew up on 913 of Blue Rock, memories of 6 kids running around those halls. Then out in the California sunshine, we wore no shoes through alley-oops and shattered windows, throwing baseballs. Mom packed me a brown bag every day, from 5 years old up to 18. A note that said I love you XO, and all my friends, they're begging me, making bids on Mom's fresh cookies. And I quit playing ball at age 15, traded my new bat for an old guitar. It broke Dad's heart, but he still loved me, and he was there at every show. No more jersey, just tuxedos. One more note, one more breath, one more go is all I get this time around. One more night to sing a song, see the light, dance along an empty floor I've come to know quite well. I've been lost underneath its spell, just for now, bid to you farewell. Dig my heels in, do my best, try to fall. The October rain on the window pane is falling slowly, and the joy that once held all my love is now below me, and the dreams I dreamt on a brighter day don't shine like they used to, 'cause the winter came, blew my days away, but I still need you. And I think about the future, and I get anxious of all the things that I can't be sure of, that I can't control it. Every little thing between. If I lost you, I'd lose everything. In the city streets, there are those I meet on a journey to be someone, to be spoken of, wrote down in history. But when the striving takes your soul away, and all security, I would dare to say that there's a better way to chase your dreams. 'Cause I think about the future, and I get anxious of all the things that I can't be sure of, and I can't control, and every little thing between. If I lost you, I'd lose everything. Cause we think about the future, and we get anxious of all these things, and we can't be sure of, no one can control it. All these stupid things between. Don't lose yourself in everything.